Types of electrical plugs. Discover their many uses, features, and benefits. This video takes an in-depth look at the types of electrical plugs. Watch further and learn more about topics such as: what are electrical plugs? Two-pronged and three-pronged plugs. Types of electrical plugs. Plug adapters and replacement plugs. And much more. Chapter 1. What are electrical plugs? Chapter 2. What are the differences between two-pronged and three-pronged plugs? Two-pronged plugs. Three-pronged plugs. Choosing the right plug for your application. Key decision factors include: device power requirements, compliance and safety, compatibility, Chapter 3. What are the different types of electrical plugs? NEMA plugs. Type A, B. Type A. NEMA 1 to 15 plugs. Type B. NEMA 5 to 15 plug. CE7 standard AC plugs. Type C, EF. Type C. CE7 16ths and CE7 17ths plugs. There are two variations of Type C plugs. Europlug. Counterplug. Type E. CE7 5ths electrical plugs. Type F. CE7 4 plugs. CE77 plugs. British Standard plugs. Type D, M, G. Type D, BS546 plugs. Type M, BS546 plugs. Type G, BS1363 electrical plugs. Type H, SI32 plug. Type 1, AS3112 electrical plug. Type J, SN441011 electrical plugs. Type K, DS60884-2 D1 plugs. Type L, CEI23-16-7 electrical plug. There are two versions of Type L plugs, differing in current rating and pin dimensions. Type N, IEC 609061 electrical plugs. Type O, TIS 166-2549 electrical plugs. Summary table of international electrical plug types. Chapter 4. What are plug adapters and replacement plugs? Plug adapters. Replacement plugs. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right electrical plugs manufacturer for your needs.